Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Viraj. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all, children?
Fine, ma'am.
Have you attempted the GA properly? Well?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us continue with the class, children. See, we were discussing about the elapsed time, starting time, and the finishing time, right? You all know what is starting time, elapsed time, and finishing time, right? The duration of particular thing. Like if you start any work at some particular time and you finish it on a particular time, in between time is called what? Duration or elapsed time. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Course book page 14. All of you open page 14 again.
Ma'am, page number 14, you told you will give in class
Yeah,
in a MCB.
page 14.
Mm.
We have discussed about this, no, already?
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
see the question completed.
Page number 14, first bit completed. We are in second bit.
Second bit, okay. How many of you are present? Only 14 members? What about others? Tell your friends to come, attend. Others also should attend. But those who have attended now, no, I'm very happy for you children and I appreciate you children throughout till this time also. You are being very patient. You have we are being very patient with this. Okay, I'm very
Okay.
much happy
So,
people. Very good children. Siri Chandana, Dharvin, Ashish, Netra, Viraj, Samanyu, Pranab, Kritik, Siddhant, Sai Kirtan, Huria, Rohan, all of you very good. Continue like this, okay? Don't skip this maths class, children. As it is in the last period, don't feel it as tired. Even after you get tired also, please spare for 40 minutes.
I'm getting tired.
The class.
After this
That
class, only I will
Daily
get
5
tired.
minutes it will be, ma'am. Now 6 periods.
what to do? Nothing happens. Art and craft used to be after lunch, no? But it is included in this now. That's why the time
Ma'am,
you
after
feel
this
free.
period, only I will
Yeah,
get tired.
after lunch you people will feel free, right? The art and
Yes.
period was included before lunch. That's why the periods got extended. That's all. No difference in it. And you people should not feel as tired. You'll be getting relaxed after lunch. Okay, after lunch you people will be getting relaxed. By 4 o'clock you start your homeworks again.
4 o'clock. Ma'am, 4 o'clock class will be.
Complete the dance class.
Ma'am, now 4:50.
Okay.
Not dance class, ma'am.
What is that?
Art and craft.
Art and craft. Now you don't.
Art and craft is now 4:50, ma'am.
Now you don't. It is included in these 6 periods only. No.
Ma'am, it is 4:50 p.m.
Ma'am, 4:50 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. we have dance class, ma'am.
Somebody is saying then art and craft.
No,
I'm
ma'am.
regarding it. Okay.
Craft is
Now shall let us start
Art and
with
craft
our
4
class.
o'clock.
Open 14th page. Second question.
Ma'am, in new timetable, like that only it is there.
Okay. Once go through it again. Okay. I'll check page. Wait a minute.
I'll have to check. Where is WhatsApp? One page number?
14. Okay. First period you have EVS. Dance is
Second period Telugu. After that break, after the third period English, fourth period ICT, fifth period Hindi, and
okay because
last
of
period
ICT.
is the maths.
Okay, because of ICT.
After 4:50 to 5:30, dance class.
Okay.
That's it.
4 o'clock art and craft is not there, ma'am.
Sixth period again in my period only you have art and craft last 2 days of this week. And
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
be getting fourth period again. Fourth period, last 2 periods will be mass periods.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Last 2 days, not periods, last 2 days. Okay, a little
ma'am,
information has to should get habituated with it. Okay, art and craft also is included in this only. And then
ma'am,
now after this only you have, after lunch at 4 o'clock, 4:50 you have dance class. Once go through the timetable and follow that properly, children. As
Okay,
today,
ma'am.
ma'am,
after the timetable is changed, so I'm intimating you. Tell me who is that?
Calling that time, ma'am.
Tell me fast. Don't waste the time.
Ma'am?
Fast.
ma'am, I got maths 10 by 10, ma'am.
Very good. I congratulate you all those who
Ma'am,
got
I also got 10 by 10. I also
very
got.
good. Very good.
Ma'am, I also got 10 by 10.
Very
I
good.
also.
Now let's go. Let us go to this page 14. Question 2. Answer the following. Express the time 24 minutes before noon. See, before noon. Noon means what is the time? What is the exact time when if it is noon means? If it is noon, what is the exact time? Pranav, you want to tell? Tell me.
12 o'clock, ma'am.
12?
12 o'clock.
Okay, 12. That's all. He asked to put in 12 hours format, no? 12 hours time.
12 p.m.
12 p.m. It's noon. Okay, it's noon. Very good. See, he asked 24 minutes before noon, it seems. Tell me 24 minutes before noon is how much?
Mm.
24 minutes before noon means here you have to subtract 24. But simply you cannot subtract 24 from it. Directly you cannot subtract. That is not the process at all. How can you subtract then?
First, you should take 12. After that, 24.
No. See, from this 12, no, you have to take 1 hour as borrowing. You have to borrow 1 hour to the minutes place. Then how much it becomes? 11.
11.
And 1 hour should not remain as 1 hour when it is converted into minutes. You have to write into minutes only. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes?
60.
60 minutes. So then 12 can be written as 11:60. Now you can subtract 24 minutes from it. Got it, children? This is clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
If you take borrow, 10 minus 4, if you take borrow here, this becomes 10 and this becomes 5. 10 minus 4 is 6, 5 minus 2 is 3, and here is 11. So the time is how much? 24 minutes. 24 minutes before 12 o'clock is how much? 11:36. But tell me, Viraj, tell me, is the time is correct?
No, ma'am. You should add AM or PM.
Yeah. What you have to add then?
AM.
AM.
Good. AM, is it correct, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others, children? Is it okay? Is it clear to everyone? Very good. Oh, but tell me, Netra, now it's 11:36, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What you have to put, AM or PM?
AM.
Very good. Since we have converted from PM to AM, there is no need of confusion here. Till 12, when it is 12 in the afternoon, then only we have to put PM. Till 11:59 in the morning, you will get AM only. That's why 24 minutes before noon is how much? 11:36 AM. Write down all of the course book as 11:36 AM. Darwin, it's clear? Now, be bit. A meeting lasts for 2 hours and 20 minutes. Express the time in seconds, it seems. A meeting lasts for, means a meeting is conducted for how many, what is the time, what duration, for what duration it is being conducted? 2 hours and
20 minutes.
20 minutes. We need this time in seconds. We need the time in seconds. Yes, Sai Kirtan, you can do it. Can you do this? Anybody want to try? Sarvin, you want to try? Ashish, Kirtan, see the time duration is 2 hours and 20 minutes. This one you have to write the same duration into seconds. Then what is the time? Yes. First, for that thing, we should know 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? 1 hour is equal how many seconds, Nana?
60 seconds.
Yes? Yes, Ashish? Yeah?
360. Ma'am, 1 hour is equal to 360 seconds.
No, you are nearby. Viraj, calculation you have done
600.
wrong.
Sorry, 3600.
It's 3600. Remember, all of you, if you know these values, try to practice it at home. These values, if you know, no, directly you can do easy calculations. Okay, 1 hour is equal to, you all know that is 60 minutes. Then if it is converted into seconds, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Here are 2 hours, right? 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Then 2 hours is equal to 2 times of 3600, means we have to multiply here by 2, right? If we multiply, how much you'll get? 2 zeros are 0, 0, 2 6 are is 12, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 hours is how much?
7200
Yes, 7200. What is that?
seconds.
Very good.
Seconds.
Seconds. Next,
7200
this 20 minutes. Again, this one also should be converted into minutes. Yes, Ashish? 1 minute is equal how many seconds?
60 seconds.
Seconds. Then
Ma'am,
tell me, anybody want to tell the answer?
60 seconds. 60 seconds.
Then 20 minutes is equal to how many seconds?
Ma'am, 60 into 20.
Yes, 60 into 20 you should do. Darwin, try it out. Do in rough book. Put your
Ma'am,
book
it's
in
doing
front
rough
of you and do all these calculations in the rough book.
60 into 20. Ma'am, 120.
No,
60
do it
into
properly. See,
20.
it is very easy, children. Don't take much time to calculate all this. See, last in one's place you have zeros, right? That two zeros you can put it at time.
Ma'am, 1200.
6 twos are is how much?
1200.
1200.
1200.
These calculations I already told you. These simple
1200. 1200.
calculations for less time taking process, you have to apply this kind of calculations. Understood? 1200 seconds. 72. Now you add 7200 seconds plus 1200 seconds is how much?
Ma'am, shall I say
Tell me.
8400 seconds?
Very good. 1200 seconds.
Yes, ma'am. 8400 seconds.
Yes, 8400 seconds, or else it is called as 8400
400 seconds.
seconds. How much? 8400 seconds.
400
Right,
seconds.
all of you. B bit. Question 2, page 14. Question 2, B bit is how much? 8400 seconds. Question 2, B bit.
8400 seconds.
14. How much we got, children? 84, no? 8400 seconds. Before once, how much we got?
11:36 a.m.
Yes. A bit is 11:36 a.m. Don't forget to put this a.m. or p.m. He is asked in 12 hours format, no? So that's why you have to put a.m. or p.m. Coming to C bit, a flight took off at 17:20. One of you can read, no? I'm only reading. Rohan,
A flight.
Wait, Nana. Netra, I got you. I given you one chance, right? Let me give the chance to others. Rohan, others should mute yourself. Rohan, read the question. See it. Come
A flight took off at 17:20 hours.
Hmm.
What time will it be in 12 hours time?
Wait, wait, Nana. Others should not say. I said no. Rohan will say the answer. You are read the question, right? A flight took off at 17:20 hours. What time will it be in 12 hours format? For this, you should add 12 or subtract 12. Subtract 12. How much you will get then?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait,
520.
how much? How much?
520.
520. That's all?
520 hours.
5:20 p.m.
Yeah, whenever you subtract 12 from it, you should immediately put PM for the answer. Got it? Remember this thing. Whenever you subtract 12 from the given thing, then immediately you have to put PM also there. So what is the answer here? You should subtract 12 from it. What left? 520. Then immediately you should put PM. Answer is 520
PM.
PM. Coming to Saman. Now, Darwin,
Ma'am, can I read?
do the calculation for D bit, Nana. D bit.
Ma'am,
Saman, you will read the question. You also try to understand the question. After that, start doing the calculation. Saman, loud, loud.
Ritu took 5 weeks to read her first novel. How many days would that be?
Yeah, Ritu took 5 weeks to read her first novel. How many days would that be? Would that be?
1 week is equal to 7 days.
Yeah, like that you should do the calculation. Start doing the calculation. I'll give you some 1 minute of time. Start doing all of you.
Ma'am, 7 into 5 means 35, ma'am.
Who is that, Viraj?
30, ma'am.
That's all. Very easy ones, right?
36, ma'am.
1 week is equal to 7 days. And 5 weeks is equal to 5 into 7 is 35 days.
Yes, ma'am. 7 5
Now coming to you. Let me mute you all. When I ask somebody, others are saying the answer. Coming to Indivan. Read E bit.
It takes 6 hours and 35 minutes to reach Pune from
Pune.
Ahmedabad. Pune.
Not Pune. Pune. The city, right? Hmm.
Find the time taken to travel from
Aurangabad.
Aurangabad to Pune in minutes in the same car.
Yeah, can you able to do it? Can you find the answer? Will you explain me how to do this? See, let me read the question again. It takes 6 hours and 35 minutes to reach Pune from Aurangabad in a car. Find the time taken to travel from Aurangabad to Pune in minutes in the same car. Here the duration is given in 6 hours and 35 minutes. But he is asking the same duration into minutes. Now tell me, Indivan, what will be the answer? All of you others also can try it out. Rohan. Others also should calculate. Do the calculations in your rough book. Tanvi, where's your video? Siddhant, Siddhi Are you trying it out, Indivan?
360 into 35, 395 minutes, ma'am.
360 into
35.
from where you got this 360? Okay, 6 into 60. Okay, okay, huh? But he asked in minutes. Okay. Tell me now.
Answer, ma'am.
Huh?
395 minutes.
Very good, Indivar. It's 395 minutes. Very good. See, children, 6 hours is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, right? Then 6 hours is equal to 6 into 60, which is equal to 360 minutes. Still more, 35 minutes are there that should be added here. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 395. 395 minutes. How much time it will be taken to travel from Aurangabad to Pune? It is 395 minutes. Try it out, all of you. I'll give you 1 minute of time. Try it out in rough book. Now you all got to know, children, how to do the calculation part. Are you feeling easy? This calculations part and all, are you all feeling easy? Sai Kirtan? Easy and enough. Netra and all on your video, student. Kritik, you raised your hand. Anything to say? Are you feeling?
Ma'am, I want to tell you.
Which one?
I want to tell the answer.
Which one?
That's why I raised your hand, ma'am.
Okay, for your sake, I'll ask one more question. Okay. Yeah. See, 3 hours, 25 minutes should be converted into minutes. Tell me the answer.
3 hours 25.
3 hours, 25 minutes should be converted into minutes.
360.
All of you can try this. This question is not there in the course book. Myself, I am asking you. Try it out, all of you.
25.
205, ma'am.
How much? 200 and?
205.
Very good.
205 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes?
16 minutes, ma'am. 3 hours is equal to 180, ma'am.
Very good. Coming
Plus 25.
25. Add these two. How much will you get? 205 minutes. Very good.
205 minutes.
Very good. It's 205 minutes. Now, shall we go to next page? Course book page 15. All of you. Darwin, are you completed?
Ma'am?
Clear? Calculation
Yes.
part is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear with all the bits?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to page 15, all of you. Turn the page. Page 15.
Ma'am, they said starting time, elapsed time, finishing time, ma'am.
Yes.
But 2 hours, 20 minutes we didn't take, no, ma'am.
Which one you are asking?
Page number 15. Second.
Let us do. I have given you the formula already in the notebook. Right. Let us once recapitulate the formula which I have given you. Are you all having the notebook with you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the elapsed time? Darwin, did you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what is the elapsed time? How you have to calculate? Like elapsed time is equal to
Minutes, hours,
formula.
formula.
Dash minus dash. What should be there near the blanks? Anyone? Yes, Surya. Rohan, sit properly.
Starting time minus end time.
No. Ending time minus starting time. Okay? Ending
Yeah,
time
ma'am.
will be more, no? Ending time will be more. So that we can subtract the starting time from it. Okay? Ending
Okay,
time
ma'am.
minus. Remember all of you carefully. If you know this formula, you can apply it directly. Otherwise, you'll be in a confusion again. Elapsed time is equal to E. See, E. Coming first. Elapsed time is equal to ending time minus starting time. Starting time is equal to
Starting time is
ending time minus. Remember, all of you should read this formula. Tomorrow I'll ask you children. Ending time minus elapsed time. Okay. Now what is the ending time? How can we calculate the ending time? By adding starting time and elapsed time. By adding starting time and elapsed time. I'll give you one example for this. See, for this I'll give you one example. Like you have started at 9 o'clock in the bus. You have got into the bus at 9 o'clock. It has taken 15 minutes to reach. This is the elapsed time, right? This is the elapsed time. And this is the starting time. Then what will be the ending time? If you add these two, you will get 9:15 a.m. Right? This will be the ending time. Means here you are adding starting time and the elapsed time. Like that, if you want, if you have a doubt, you can once check it by placing any kind of examples and see. Okay, but remember, all of you should read this formula today. Tomorrow I'll be asking you directly, immediately you have to say these answers. Elapsed time is equal to ending time minus starting time. Starting time is equal to ending time minus elapsed time. Ending time is equal to starting time plus elapsed time. Now, based on this formula only we have here. Come back to course book again, page 15. Fill in the boxes in the table given below. Use appropriate notation of AM and PM. Calculations can be done in the space provided below each row. See, under each question, some place is there, no? There we'll do the calculation part. See, starting time is given as, I'm just writing the short forms here. Don't get confused. Starting time is 10:15 a.m. and elapsed time is 2 hours 20 minutes. Here, this one should be added, right? To find out the ending time, what here you have to do? What is the formula, Viraj? What is the formula to find ending time?
starting time plus elapsed time.
Very good. Starting time plus elapsed time. See, it is very much better if you convert this AM into 24 hours format. Always remember, it is very much easy for you people if you convert this into 24 hours format. Like 10:15 a.m. if you convert into 24 hours format, what is the time, children? Same thing you will get until 12 o'clock, right? Same number. But you should not put AM there. Like 10:15. Am I right? Is it clear to you all? Sirichandana, Netra, Lasya.
Ma'am, it is 23:15.
I'm not asking you the answer here. First try to understand the concept, Nana. 10:15 here, 24 hours. Somebody raised hand, Indivar, Darwin, and Pranav.
Ma'am,
Anything to
12:30
say
for answer, ma'am.
for answer?
Ma'am,
Okay, okay. See, let us add here. See, I have converted this into Sanvi. Is it right, Sanvi? I have converted 10:15 a.m. into 24 hours. Then I got 10:15. Is it right?
no.
No, ma'am.
Why no?
Yes, ma'am. It is AM, ma'am.
Then how much we'll get?
12:30.
Why? Why you will get 12:35? See, it is morning 10:15, right?
Yes, ma'am.
After day starts, until you reach 10:15, it will be 10:15 only in the 24 hours format. After 12 o'clock only, it will be changed, right? Like 13, 14, 15, 16 hours, 17 hours, like that, it will be changed. But until 12 o'clock, it will be same time. So it is 10:15 only. Now let us take, I have converted this into 24 hours format. 10:15 plus elapsed time is how much? 2 hours 20. Like you write here, it's better. 10 hours 15, 10 hours 15 minutes and 220 means minutes are placed at one place and hours are placed in one place for our simplification part, for our easy simplification part. Until you get 60 here, you can write the minutes as it is. See, 12:35. How much you got? The answer as 12:35. Now, here again, you should write that in the 12 hours format. Why? Because it is given in 12 hours format. No, starting time is given in 12 hours format. Then if you write AM or you'll get or PM, it's 12:35. Kritik,
AM.
yeah, it is reached to the, it is nearly reached to the afternoon, right? Plus if you add 2 hours, it's 12:35, which is where you have to put PM.
12:35 PM.
How you will do calculation part under it? Like 10:15 plus 2 hours 20 minutes is equal to, before that you write down, children, finishing time is equal to, under some space is there, see, there you
Ma'am,
finishing time
you
equal to,
first you give explanation, no ma'am. I wrote that only.
that only you have written. I thought you will be doing like that explanation. Done. I have done explanation, no Nana. Why you have written that? Okay, let it be. Others can write. See, finishing time is equal to,
Ma'am, I wrote, ma'am.
let it be. Even that is matching to that one, no? Starting time plus elapsed time. Starting time is how much? 10:15 plus 2 hours 20 minutes gives how much? 12:35 p.m. Now you write the answer again in the finishing time, like 12:35 p.m. This is the this calculation you have to do where the space is provided there. Can you people do like this, the remaining part as homework? Why? Because the less time is left over.
Yes, ma'am.
Are left over. Let us explain. Let us have a discussion about this, and you do as homework. Calculation part also you do there neatly, but not as rough work. Okay. Question is 12:30 p.m. where 3 hours 25 minutes. Starting time is 12:30 p.m. and elapsed time is 3 hours 25 minutes. Same finishing time, same formula you have to apply, right? Finishing time
Okay.
is equal to starting time plus elapsed time. Starting time is how much? 12:30 p.m. If you add 3 hours 25 minutes, how much you will get? That you have to write again in a AM or PM. Why? Because the starting time is given in 12 hours format. So you have to write the ending time also in the form of 12 hours clock only. Coming to C bit, starting time is not there, but elapsed time and finishing time is given. Starting time formula. Put your notebook in front of you and do by the form. Why? Because the formula are given in it, right? And try to read the formula also. Starting time is equal to ending time minus elapsed time. Ending time is how much? 5 p.m. Elapsed time is how much? 5 hours 50 minutes.
50
5
minutes.
p.m. See children, this is more important. 5 p.m. if you convert this into 24 hours format, how much it becomes? First, that's why I said to convert into 24 hours format. Means you have to add 12 to it. So it becomes 17 hours.
70.
From that 17 hours, here what to find? Starting time. Means from this 17 hours, you have to subtract 5 hours 50 minutes. Understood? From the 17 hours, you have to subtract. Now again here you got zeros. Don't take borrow. 60 minutes should be taken borrow from the before ones. Means from 1 hour. Just now we did know. 1 hour is reduced from it. And that 1 hour is shifted to minutes place. It becomes 60. From this 60, if you subtract, you will get 10. And 16 minus 5 is how much? 11. What is the starting time? What was the starting time? 11, 10 hours. It is given in PM, no? Then you should write as AM here.
Ma'am, the time is up. Ma'am, the time is less, ma'am.
Less. Starting time, no? So the time is less. Got it? How much
Yes.
you got? 11, 10. But again, you should write that in the format. What format? AM. Don't forget. It is before noon. 11:10. The time you got is 11:10. But it is before noon. So that's why you should put AM there. Got it, children? Clear? The time is also up. You have sat for with lot of patience. I appreciate you children for that. Maintain like this, continue like this daily. Okay, children? Bye, children. Try to do it as part. Have a nice day.